Question number 15. In a survey of 60 people, it was found that 25 people read newspaper H, 26 read newspaper T, 26 read newspaper I, 9 read both H and I, 11 both H and T, 8 read both T and I, and 3 read all the 3 newspaper. Find the number of people who read at least one of the newspapers, and second part is the number of people who read exactly one newspaper. So we write down what is given here. Now, given that we have written here number of people who read Hindi newspaper, H newspaper, T newspaper, I, and so on. Now we know the formula. Now we are to find out the number of people who read at least one of them. Therefore, required number of people who read at least one of a newspaper, that is, which is equal to N H H union T union I. The formula is NH plus NT plus NI minus NH intersection T minus H intersection I minus H intersection I intersection T plus NH intersection T intersection I. This is the formula for 3 sets. So this is equal to NH is 25, and T is 26, NI is 26 minus 9 and T, and this is 11. This is 11, and this is 9, and this is 8 plus 3. So we get here 25, 26, 20, 75, 76, 77 plus 3 is 80 minus 20, 28, which is equal to 7 minus 10 minus 8 is 2, 7 minus 2 is 5. So 52 is the required number of people who read at least one of the newspaper, is the answer for the part number 1. Now we will see the second part here. Now see in the Venn diagram here, U is the universal set, H is the set, and this is a T set, and this is I set. H means number of people who read H newspaper. This is 25, this is 26, this is T. Common intersection, this is H intersection and T, this portion. H intersection I. H intersection I is this portion, and H intersection T is, and T intersection I. T intersection I is here. T intersection I is 8. This is T intersection I. T intersection I is 8 here. So this is a T intersection I is this portion here. And now suppose this is A, B, C, D, E, F, and this is G. Now see, we are to find out the value of A plus B plus C, the number of people who read exactly one newspaper. So value of A plus value of B plus value of C. Now see here, A plus A plus F plus G, see here, A plus F plus G plus D is set H is 25. C plus E plus G plus D, C plus G plus D plus E, this is I, 26, and I set is B plus E plus B plus this is I set C plus E C plus G plus D plus E, and T set is B plus E plus F plus G, and set T has element again 26. Now see common element F plus G, intersection of H and T. H and T is 11, and intersection of T and I, this is G plus E. G plus E is T intersection I is 8. This is 8, and now the D plus G, H and I intersection is equal to 9. So in this way we will write down the relations between A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Now here see what is G. G is the common portion of all the three sets H, T and I is the common portion, that is equal to 3. You can see here, compare, and now we can from here, if we start from here, we can find the values one by one very easily. When we write this figure and write down the relations, these parts, and compare these parts with these values, so we can find out. Our aim is to find the value of A, B and C, and sum of A plus B plus C will give us the number of people who read exactly one newspaper. So see here, D is equal to, D plus G is 9, therefore D is equal to 9 plus 3 is 6, and E is equal to 8 minus 3 is 5. F plus G, see here, F is equal to 11 minus 3, 11 minus 3 is 8. Now see, we have found out the three values. D, E, F, D, E, F and G is given. Now see the value of A, F 25 minus F, what is F? F is 8, and from this relation G is 3 minus 3, D is minus 6. Therefore 8 minus 3, 11 minus 17, 25 minus 17 is equal to 8. Now the value of B, see the value of B from here. The value of E is 5, F is 26 minus E minus 5, F is here minus 8, and D is and G is 3 minus 3. Therefore 11 minus 5 is minus 16. So 16 minus 26 minus 16 is 10. Now we will find the value of C. The value of C, G plus D plus E. G is 3 plus 6 9 plus E is 5. 9 plus 5 is 14. So C is 26 minus 14. Again we can check. G is 3 plus 6 9 plus 5 14. So C is equal to 26 minus 14 is equal to 12. Therefore now write down here, number of people who read all exactly one newspaper is equal to 8 plus 10 plus 12. So this is 20 plus this is equal to 30. 30 is the answer, who read exactly one. So this is a part 2 of this question. 30 is the, so this is the way we can calculate the number of people who read exactly one newspaper.